Hello everyone. Just wanted to do a little update on the Subaru. I know Carrie's been doing a couple walkarounds and stuff on it. I've pulled it out just a little bit. I've used our old Toyota here. I ended up breaking a piece off the Toyota. How freaking sad is that? It's a corner piece. I hooked onto the bumper down here, which you can clearly see. Hooked onto the bumper down there just to pull it out. And it pulled it and popped that tab off right there and just broke it completely off somehow. I'll take the other side off, make it match. Anyway, so what we got going on over here today is I just wanted to pull the radiator out, or the radiator support out just a little bit to see if I could get the hood to close. Well, not close, but it's not going to close because it's all bent and stuff, but I at least got the latch to line up with me bending the hood just a little bit to try to flatten it out, you know, just because the latch was bent in pretty far. So I kind of got it bent out just a little bit, just to, like I said, just to see if I can make something happen, because we don't have high hopes for this car anymore. We really don't plan on doing much with it. But to be a little beater, we've got some fun ideas coming for this thing, as just to beat it up now, because we're missing a bunch of pieces and we're not sure if we even want to fix it. But we're going to enjoy it while we have it, turn it into a little go-kart. See, you see it's still bent right here from it being tapped up against that, pushed straight up against it. The radiator's not in its little tabs. So right here, I haven't completely bent this. It's still kind of up. I need to get it more level, I would say, which I still have to pull this side, which you see I've got it hooked in. It's got a nice little bend in it. Let's see if I can get you to see it. It's got a little bend. I'm definitely not a body man, but a little bit of heat and a little bit of beating can get a little better. This side's not. This side had a pretty. This was the really bad side. You can see where it was bent right there. It's not completely flush, but it's definitely not crinkled in. It's a little melted on here. I used the torch, got a little warm, pulled it a little bit. Like I said, it's not in a V anymore, and it's not obviously as strong as original, but I think for us to just beat the crap out of this thing, and like I said, to be able to hold the hood closed, because bumper's over there and ripped in a couple pieces. So we might not put a bumper on it, just leave it off the way it is. Rig up some fog lights or something in it, so that way, you know, just enjoy it, I guess, until either we blow it up or junk it or figure out what we're going to do with it. But I'm going to get back to work here. Like I said, I'm going to straighten out this just a little bit, best I can. And I ordered a upper radiator hose for it. I'm gonna add some coolant to it and see if it runs good once it's got coolant in it, because obviously it ain't got no coolant in it right now. But that's what I got for you so far. That's just a little update on the WRX. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.